warm welcome you all in your science class. Students, in your previous class we have discussed about birds, okay, which is your third chapter. We have seen different features of birds, okay. Birds have so many unique features, understand, and they have a unique feature which is beak. We have discussed about beak in your previous class, okay. So today we will discuss about another feature of birds, that is feet. Birds have 2 feet. Every bird has 2 feet, understand, and each feet has 4 toes, okay. Birds' feet help them to catch their prey. Prey means food, okay. Their feet help them to sit, climb, understand. So there are different type of birds which we can differentiate on the basis of their different feet, understand. They have their different structure of feet. Open your book and read page number 37. Feet of birds. Birds have 2 feet with 4 toes on each. As I have taught you earlier that birds have 2 feet and 4 toes in each feet, ending in a claw. The bird's feet has a claw-like structure on the end, okay. Claw help them to catch their food, okay. They catch and hold their food with their feet and claws. Claws also help bird to climb, walk and sit on the branches of trees. Birds sit on the branches of trees. How? Because they have feet and they have claws. Their feet and claws help them to sit, climb, okay. Now different type of birds. Perching birds. Now what is perching? To land and stay on the edge of something. To land and stay on the edge of something, such as a branch or a fence, okay. Birds land and sit on the branch. Birds land and stay on the edge of something, okay, such as fence. What is fence? A boundary like structure. Now perching birds such as crows and parrots have feet with 3 toes pointing forward. As you can see on your screen, this bird have 3 toes pointing forward and 1 backward. As you can see on your screen, these birds have 3 toes pointing forward and 1 toes pointing backward, such as crow and parrot. This enables them to perch on thin branches and twigs easily and tightly. This helps them to sit on any branches, okay. Now we will discuss about water birds. There are so many birds who live in water, such as duck, swan, okay. Such as pelican and ducks have their front toe joined by a layer of skin. As you can see on your screen, they have their front toe joined with a layer of skin. Such type of feet are called webbed feet. This type of feet is called webbed feet. These birds swim forward by pushing the water their feet by webbed feet. These feet, like webbed feet, help them to push the water backward and it helps them to go forward, okay. So that type of birds are known as water birds. They have webbed feet. Now climbing bird such as woodpecker, they have 4 toes, 2 pointing forward and 2 pointing backward, okay, and it helps them to climb on the tree trunk, understand. Now scratching bird such as hen have sharp and strong claws to dig the ground for food such as seed and worms. Hen eat worms or insects from the ground. That's why they scratch the ground. Okay, so hen is known as scratching birds because they have very strong claws. It is very easy for them to catch their prey. Okay. Wadding birds such as herons and cranes walk through shallow water using their long legs and widely spread out toes. This is called wadding. Herons and cranes have long feet, okay, which help them to walk on shallow water. Okay, as you can see on your screen, they are known as wadding birds. Flesh eating birds. Some birds eat flesh, means meat. Okay, so such birds like eagles and owls have very sharp claws. The claws are very sharp, called talons. Okay, their claws are very sharp, called talons, to pick up small animals such as rat and mice. And their claws are very sharp so that they can eat their flesh easily. They can eat their food easily, and the sharp claws called talons, okay, it helps them to pick small animals such as rat and mice. Okay, so we have discussed about feet of birds. Now we will see about the wings of birds. Birds has an incredible ability which help them to fly, and that is wing. They have their very important feature which help them to fly, and that are their wings. Okay.
As we all know that the birds walk and hold food with their feet and claws. Different birds use their feet and claws differently. As we see, vultures and eagles have sharp and strong claws to hold small animals, while ducks have webbed feet that help them swim in water. Woodpecker have broad feet and they use their feet to climb the trees.